Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan. It's my channel, Dan's Carving. This episode, as you can tell, we're going to be carving another large moose rack and more than likely the skull again. Exactly what I'm going to do, I got a few pretty cool ideas. So we're going to sketch some stuff on there, see what works. If I don't like it, I'm going to take it off, do something even cooler. If ever anybody has any inquiries of having stuff like this done, you can get a hold of me by email. I'm going to leave it below in the description. But yeah, you get the drill. I'll be back after the intro. We'll get rolling on this thing.